Everyone, in today's video I want to share with you a fun and healthy way to create fruit kebabs. This is a great way to incorporate more fruit into your diet or your children's diet and also have fun doing it. I also got my two little helpers helping me today, and I also want to say how beneficial these fruits that we're going to be using are in the body. They're full of essential minerals, boosting your immunity and healing you from within. And I also just want to say, I know a lot of people are concerned about the sugar within fruit, but eating whole fruit, it is almost impossible to consume enough fructose to cause harm, as they're whole foods and they're full of essential minerals and they contain fiber and water. Just chopping up some strawberries and watermelon. I think it's a really good idea to get your kids involved and really teach them young how to eat and how to really prepare their own foods as well. I think it's so beneficial. So yeah, watermelon is renowned for containing anti-cancerous properties and it's full of essential antioxidants, and strawberries are also full of antioxidants as well, and they also contain high quantities of vitamin C. Watermelon can also lower inflammation within the body. I'm joined by my very own personal little chef. He has been training his whole entire life, which is approximately 5 years. Apples are linked to a lower risk of diabetes. They also are good for weight loss, and they also may be good for your heart as well. It's not my favorite, but it's a good source of fiber, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin C. My children love it. Just going to chop up some mango. This is my favorite fruit ever. It's high in antioxidants. It's packed with nutrients. It may boost your immune system. It also may support your healthy hair and skin, which is something that we all want, and it also may lower the chances of certain cancers. Slicing up some oranges. These also lower the risk of cancer. They control your blood sugar levels, and they also help to keep your blood pressure under control. I'm now just chopping up some melon. These promote proper digestion. They also support healthy skin, hair, and nails, and they also contain nutrients vital to bone health. We've got all of our fruits prepped and ready to go to create our fruit kebabs. I'm just cutting in half a lime, which we will use later on. Right after I said to Tyrese, don't wipe on your clothes. Look at that. Anywho, they're just drinking ginger tea, which I've also made a video on, which boosts your immune system and heals you from within as well. So they're just basically gonna create their fruit kebabs like so. Doing your kebab. And also,
want seaweed. That's a
Let's put it on your finger stick.
Let me decorate it.
Yeah, create your kebab stick.
Now let me.
Gentle
Oh, I
circle.
can't wait to eat it right. I'm making another one.
Is no one using watermelon?
I'm broke.
I don't like watermelon.
Get another piece and push it
How
through.
do you make it?
This is basically me creating my little fruit kebab. I'm just gonna take my favorite fruits. I've got lots to choose from. I've got, as you can see, some seeded grapes. Always choose fruits with seeds, guys, because they're non-genetically modified organisms. Because if you think about it, how can something reproduce without a seed? It doesn't make sense. It's totally against nature. So yeah, always buy seeded when you can, guys. Also, this next part's optional, and it's if you like your fruit to be quite zesty, you just take the lime and squeeze it over your kebab like so. There you basically have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go and enjoy yourself some fruit. It's delicious, it's healthy and nutritious, so why not, guys? You deserve it. Your body is your temple, always cherish it. So on that note, guys, I'll see you in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching, and peace and love until next time, guys. What's the strongest muscle in your body?
Your hands.
What's the strongest muscle in your body?
Arms.
Strongest muscle in the body?
Belly. Brain.
The brain.
Aww.
Good try though. Your kebab looks really good, Kay. Do you want some lime to squeeze on top of it?